Koenigsegg saying it's going to be terminating discussions to purchase the Saab division of GM. Bloomberg News has learned that GM is saying it may consider shutting down Saab without a buyer. Bloomberg's Doron Levin follows the auto industry, is joining us now live from the Detroit Bureau with more. Doron, always glad to talk to you, especially when there's breaking news in your field. Great perspective you can give us. Some people telling us it's not really a surprise. Obviously, that GM wanted to get rid of Saab. It was something profitable, like 1 year in 10, that they had full ownership?
Well, clearly this was a brand that was really too small to stay in GM's stable, given the reorganization of last year. This is another repercussion of the bankruptcy. And at the time when we heard that Koenigsegg was stepping up and interested in becoming the owner of Saab, a lot of us were questioning this because this is really a multi-billion-dollar decision. Any kind of a car company really requires big numbers in terms of R&D budgets and marketing budgets. It takes a lot of money to run a car company, and Saab, frankly, just doesn't have the scale worldwide. You're talking about a couple of 100,000 units. There's no way to sponge up those costs on those few units. So Koenigsegg was really battling probably to find co-investors, and I'm sure wasn't able to at the last moment.
Yeah, they said something because of delays that it created too many risks and uncertainties, and sort of under the category of another comment, not surprised. People saying it's not a surprise they pulled out, that some even saw it as sort of a cheap thrill, if you like, for the Swedish government trying to hold on to jobs, but that they probably never had the intention of buying it. Do you think that's fair?
Well, it's fair, and everybody's, I mean, you see other deals worldwide that are sort of governments are trying to figure out. The deal for Opel in Europe started as a Magna deal, has now gone back to GM. GM's now going to governments in Europe saying, how much money are you going to spend in order for us to restructure? We have a Volvo deal in China where Geely is going to buy Geely, and now you have another investor group coming up. So there's really a lot of movement on the fringes of these car companies, but the truth is you have to have a big car company to make money.
Doron, thanks as always. Doron Levin, Bloomberg's editor-at-large, joining us there from our Detroit Bureau.